Now, because it's Karnataka Rajyotsava and I told how passionate people are about it, now there is one person who's very, very passionate about being pseudo Karnataka. He's not the son of Karnataka, but he's son-in-law of Karnataka. Apparently, he got married to a girl from Nanjangud. So, without further ado, please welcome Pramit Pratim Ghosh as a typical Karnataka.
I hope that came out correct. As Razvi said, a lot of emotional connection with the state. Nana hemti Nanjangud Hudugi anta. So, that's how I'm connected. So today, we are here to basically understand how well we know our state, Karnataka, where we are staying in, we are working in, how well do we know the state. So we have some questions here for you, and those of you who can answer the questions will have some yummy chocolates, which is there, right there with Supriya. Ready for the quiz, everyone? Okay. Question number 1. So, our state was not called Karnataka right from the beginning. When it was first formed on 1st of November 1956, it was called State of Mysore. When was the name officially changed to Karnataka? Please raise your hand if you know the answer. And I'm looking for the year. Nikita's hand was the first I saw. 1973, the year in which Zanjeer released. Amitabh Bachchan became the angry young man of Bollywood. Yes, that's the right answer. 1973 is when State of Mysore was officially renamed to Karnataka. One request from all of you is please watch me properly, because my lungi, I'm feeling it is coming off. If it is coming off, please let me know. Okay. Second question. Cricket lovers, it will be interesting for you. The Titan Cup, played in 1996, it was a triangular series, India, South Africa, Australia, was the first time 6 Karnatakas were there in the Indian cricket team. Who were these 6 players? Can anybody tell the name? Yes, I see the hand here, yes.
Okay. Dravid, okay. Srinath, okay. Venkatesh Prasad, okay. Sunil Joshi, okay. David Johnson, no. Or Sujit Somsundar.
Correct. It is Sujit Somsundar. One chocolate for him, please. That's absolutely the right answer. My God, I had actually not expected anybody to answer that. Not many people will know about Sujit Somsundar, but that was the first time 6 Karnatakas played for the Indian cricket team. Of course, the same thing happened 4 years later, also in 2000, when Vijay Bharadwaj came into the team. That time also 6 were there. So well done, sir. Third question. In 1936, what did M.V. Gopalaswamy set up in the garage of his home, Vittal Vihar, in Mysore? In 1936, M.V. Gopalaswamy, what did he set up in the garage of his home called Vittal Vihar in Mysore? Talicare is also allowed to answer, just saying. An international team also, yeah. Factory to create Mysore Pak. Shall we give her a chocolate for innovative answer? No, that's a very tempting idea, by the way. But what did he start, this particular gentleman? Any idea? In the world of communications, let me give you a clue now. In the world of communications, yes, you have something. Anybody? Akashvani. Akashvani, you mean the radio station? Brilliant answer, right answer. Please give the chocolate to ma'am. So M.V. Gopalaswamy started India's first private radio station called Akashvani radio station. It was later taken over by All India Radio, and All India Radio in 1957 adopted the name Akashvani for themselves. The person who coined the term Akashvani was a Karnataka called M.V. Gopalaswamy. Great. Question number 4. If Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers, Karnataka does not need land. Karnataka, one district itself is called as the district of 5 rivers. Which district am I talking about? One district of Karnataka is called as the district of 5 rivers. Which district am I talking about? And we have a hand here.
Shimoga.
Yes. Belgavi, you said. Okay.
Shimoga.
Shimoga, yes. What all districts are left? Huh? Mandya. Bijapur? Bijapur? Really? Chocolate for Russia here. Yes, Bijapur is the right answer. So, the rivers of Krishna, Doni, Bhima, Malaprabha and Ghataprabha, these are the 5 rivers that are passing through Bijapur district. So, correct answer. Okay. Now, for those people who have actually read that PDF, right? You would have all read the PDF, right? Okay. So,
The Karnataka Khadi Gramodega Samyukta Sangha has the official permission to manufacture the Indian flag. If they have the official permission to manufacture the Indian flag, what does Mysore Paints and Varnishes have the official permission of manufacturing?
Mysore sir.
And yes, I saw his hand first. Yes, sir. Ink. Which ink? The one which they put while voting? Correct answer. The indelible ink which is used for voting. The official manufacturers of that is Mysore Paints and Varnishes. Brilliant answer, sir. Okay, this is a fun question. Bangalore, people from Bangalore will probably know about it. So R.K. Narayanan, we all know about him, R.K. Narayanan? Okay, R.K. Narayanan, most of his short stories and novels were based out of a fictional town called Malgudi. What is the origin of this particular name? Anybody knows? Please raise your hand. Anisha, have you cheated? Were you sitting beside me when I was writing the questions? Okay, cool. Yeah, try. Malleshwaram and Baswangudi. You mean to say that he took Mal from Malleshwaram and Gudi from Baswangudi and made Malgudi? Brilliant answer. That is the answer. Amalgamation of the words Malleshwaram and Baswangudi. That's how Malgudi was formed. Okay, another fun question coming up. Let's see how many film lovers are here. Till date, only 4 people have won the National Award for singing in Kannada. 3 of them are Bala Murali Krishna, SP Bala Subramania, and Shimoga Subuna and myself. Who am I? Come on here.
For singing.
Hello. Answers, man. I'm looking for answers. Huh? Vasundhara? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's change the gender. It's not a girl. Okay. Okay, fine. But okay, we need to give another chocolate to Arshia again because that's the right answer. Strangely enough, Dr. Rajkumar never won a national award for acting, but he won a national award for singing, and the name of the song was Nadamaya E Lokavela from the film Jeevana Chaitra. He won the national award for singing for that particular song. Great answer there actually. Okay, can we have one more question?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, for those who have read the PDF. Purandara Dasa, he was known as a great bhakta of Lord Vishnu. He is considered as the father of what? Anybody who has, okay, nobody has read the PDF then, good.
Class.
Purandara Dasa is considered as the father of what? Gayatri, you know the answer?
Hindustani.
Hindustaniya.
Carnatic and Hindustani.
Obviously. Carnatic means you listen to Carnatic and you know it's from Karnataka only. Where else can it be from? So yes, he's considered as the father of Carnatic music.